When I first tested the all-new Subaru BRZ last year, I was thoroughly impressed. It had addressed every shortcoming of that first-generation car, maturing into a much more well-rounded machine that was way more fun to drive. So, when this GR86 arrived this week, the BRZ's Toyota counterpart, I was expecting more of the same, but what I'm learning is that this one has its own personality.
When Scion died after the 2016 model year, some of its cars lived on as Toyotas. Formerly known as the FRS, and then 86 when Toyota adopted it, the second generation model receives the GR designation. Short for Gazoo Racing, Toyota's 3 GR models are the pinnacle of the brand's performance, all offered with stick shifts and 2 of them rear-wheel driven. The GR86 is one of them, and with a starting MSRP of $28,995 including the delivery fee, it's also the most affordable. The previous 86 was a car of handling metal, but very little else. This car remedies all of those shortcomings. In the radiant track-bred upcharged paint, outfitted with matte black 18-inch alloys and high-performance tires, this is one sharp sports coupe. The larger 2.4-liter Subaru Boxer engine, utilizing Toyota's dual fuel injection system, breathes life into the 86 with 228 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque peaking earlier in the range. The more readily available acceleration has blossomed from boring to breathtaking, capable of neck-snapping shifts throughout the 6 gears. Beyond the newfound speed, the 86 resonates with enhanced exhaust sounds and upper echelon handling precision. The Pilot Sports create go-kart-like turn-in, and now, powering out of the corners is exponentially more satisfying. The limited slip differential assisting with that. Want more unbridled rear-wheel drive fun? The track setting removes the kid glove treatment by allowing more maneuverability for experienced drivers who know how to keep the car pointed where they want it to go. Weighing only 2,800 pounds, and now, with an even lower center of gravity, the curvier the road, the better. This is what you fantasized driving would be like when you were a kid. But I don't recall the BRZ feeling quite this stiff nor as finicky to drive in traffic. Engaging first gear is rarely a smooth undertaking, though the mildly weighted clutch pedal itself is otherwise easy to modulate. Maybe it's just me, but the 86 comes across as a hair more hardcore, a little less everyday friendly, if you will.
The GR86 exists for one reason and one reason only, and that is to be driven. And I don't mean on your daily commute or on the highway, because it's really not very proficient at those things. This car is a true sports car, explicitly created to be driven for fun. It's very firm, it's a bit loud in here, and by no means lavish. But that being said, it's exponentially better than the previous generation car. And one of the key reasons for that is this high-revving Subaru Boxer engine. It is a simple but brilliant piece of automotive engineering that matches very well with this Playful Chassis. The handling is stellar, kind of like a much more powerful Miata.
Toyota offers a more fuel-efficient 6-speed automatic, but unless you've got a good excuse, I wouldn't do it. Much of the joy here comes courtesy of being one with the car, and that can only be achieved by shifting for yourself. Plus, this one is faster, dispensing of 60 miles per hour in 6.1 seconds. And don't be afraid to take it all the way to the 7,500 RPM red line. Some crazy sounding performance lives up there. Toyota also offers a host of GR branded upgrades to up the ante, such as a louder exhaust. On premium gas, mileage is rated at 20 mpg City 27 highway with a 290-mile driving range. And there might as well not even be rear seats. A cargo compartment would make more sense back here. With no options other than the special color, this GR86 Premium stickers for $32,020, a $200 increase over last year's model. Beyond the aforementioned summer use Michelins, the premium trim also includes adaptive front lighting and the duckbill rear spoiler. Inside, the premium trim invites heated sports seats with suede inserts, aluminum sport pedals, and an 8-speaker audio system with amplifier. Blind spot detection is also included, but only the automatic-equipped GR86 Premium gets all of the driver assistance goodies, such as auto high beams, rear park assist with automatic braking, and adaptive cruise control. The infotainment system is super basic with no built-in navigation and thus easy to use with wired phone projection. Only problem is there's really no good place to store your device once it's connected. There's no height adjustment for the passenger seat either, so the short will suffer, but both front positions offer greater comfort than before. There's also dual-zone climate control and some catchy opening and closing GR animations. The trunk's mini-compact luggage volume offers only 6 cubic feet, but the rear seats do fold. The opening is wide enough, making it slightly more accommodating than it looks. For the GR86, this is a second act worthy of praise. And if you're into orange, good news. Toyota is producing a limited run of 860 special edition Solar Shift GR86s for the 2023 model year. A GR catback exhaust and C-pillar graphics are included, celebrating the car's 10th anniversary. For TopSpeed.com, I'm Steve Hammis.